It's that time of the year and there's so many events, family gatherings, and parties to go to. And let's create that conversational piece and tell people that we made this ourselves. Let's figure out what we're going to wear. We are going to talk about Mood's festive edit and also some other patterns that I found online that are great stocking stuffers and gifts we can make for our family and friends. And all of these patterns are completely free. So let's grab our coffee or tea and a notepad and let's jot down some ideas so we can figure out what we're going to make this year. The first pattern is this Nolita vest and skirt set. It is super cute. Vests were all the rave between 2024 and 2025. I feel like it's a statement piece. There's pleats involved and also ruffled layers. I'm looking over at the screen at the pattern. This set will take about 2 days to make. And if you have kids, just times that by 2 and it'll take about 4 days. Next pattern is the Serafina cowl neck dress. Cowl neck dresses are all the rave. I feel like they are more popular around fall, and on my channel I keep getting a lot of searches for the cowl neck dress that I have made. This is my version and I will be doing another tutorial on this. However, this dress by Mood is so pretty, and it's not Mood specifically, they're by other fashion designers, and you can look to see who the designer is on each pattern. They made this out of a satin material. This dress is stunning. It has beautiful drapes. It is a little bit more advanced, so if you are a beginner, this may not be a dress that you want to start with, or you just want to, even if you are a beginner and you want to make this, have at it. There's instructions and I'm sure you can do it. And actually I said it was a satin. I believe it's a silk charmeuse, which is a little bit on the pricier side. So if you are making this, be prepared for pricier fabrics. The estimated time frame is about 3 days. I actually love this, and this is actually at the top of my list. The next dress is called Harper Palesi dress. I might be pronouncing that wrong. I think this is gorgeous, and I already looked at this pattern around springtime. This can be made out of a lightweight Palesi. I don't know how to pronounce this, but that's a material, or a chiffon. I was going to use a chiffon when I was creating this dress for spring, but it is an overlay dress over a an underdress, like a kind of like a nightgown, but yeah, one of those. So it's a 2-piece as well. I think it's just so beautiful. It's tiered, it's layered, it's flowy. This is elegant for a family gathering, even for a wedding guest dress. This dress as well is more advanced, and it's going to take around 3 days to make. Next, we have the Anara wrap dress. This is such a cute party dress, a cute statement piece. We all love a wrap dress. It's so flattering. This dress is on the intermediate side and it will take about 2 days to make, which I don't think is that bad. Even if you're a beginner, going into an intermediate pattern isn't so harmful, and if you follow the instructions you could totally do it. They suggest a stretch velvet or a metallic jersey material. Velvets are so beautiful around fall. I love this dress, long sleeve but short, and definitely a cute statement for sure. Pattern number 5 is the Rhodes Infinity dress. This is so elegant and flowy, great for a Christmas party, and then to also wear for into next season would be weddings, Easter, your graduation parties. This is that style of dress. I love gathers and wrap style dresses. This style of gown you could wear in multiple ways. The way that the straps are made, it's very long and probably to the floor, so you can wrap this around in any kind of way. So that makes a very versatile dress that you can look different every time you wear it, pretty much. They say that this dress will take about 1 day, which I think that's very good. It is on the intermediate side, however, and if you're trying to make something quick for Thanksgiving, which is in about a week, definitely probably make this pattern. Now we're getting into pattern number 6, which is actually my favorite, the Ainsley dress. I think this one is such a statement piece. I don't have nothing like this in my wardrobe, and I haven't made anything like this before. I love the structured bodice, but also with the wrap bow tie situation at the waist. I think this is gorgeous, and if I am going to make one of these patterns, this is the one I'm going to make. They suggest a Duchess satin or a Mikado fabric, which I haven't heard of. I haven't used something like that. If I am going to make this, I do want to thrift a velvet material or some sort. We'll see about this. So now we have the Jug Flower pencil dress. This is one of my least favorites. I don't really like sleeves like this, but these style of sleeves were very popular this year and last year. It's a puff sleeve that cuffs at the end, at the wrist. They suggest a stretch crepe with organza sleeves. This pattern is on the intermediate level, but it will take about 1 day to make this. And let me know what you guys think. This is a cute statement piece. This is very modern, very refined, and very today, but it's just not my style. Would you make this one? Now the memoir dress. This also has sleeves that are not my favorites, but flattering for others. I do love the square neckline. This pattern is also intermediate and it will take about 2 days. Let me know what you think about it. Do you like these sleeves? I love the neckline. I also either like pencil or like completely flare out circle skirts, not the A-line type of style. But whatever floats your boat. Pattern 9 is the Athena Milkmaid dress. This Athena Milkmaid dress is beginner friendly. Yay! So that is great news, and it takes about 2 days to create this dress. It is very romantic, very effortless. I think this is a looker right here. So let me know what you guys think about that one and if you plan on making that one. Next is the Valentina V-waist dress, which I am actually wearing right now. I made this pattern and I have a video up. I show you how to read the pattern and how to sew it from start to finish. If it's your first time ever using a digitized pattern, I show you how to read it. I think this dress is gorgeous. I could just stand up. I love a gathered pleat moment. This is definitely a showstopper. You're going to get asked about this. Where did you get it? And you can tell them that you made this dress. It is advanced. I believe it is advanced because of the bra cup situation, but other than that, I feel like it's pretty beginner friendly. And they give very detailed instructions on how to insert the bra cups and everything else. This dress will take about 2 days, and that is about roughly how long it took me. So that's pretty accurate. And they suggested a silk or a glossy taffeta. And and the dress that it's actually made with in the photo is a cotton sateen. And the fabric that I use is a point fabric, which is polyester, and I would love to make this in something else. It's definitely a pattern that I will be making again, and maybe you guys should make this as your holiday dress. Lastly, from Mood is the pine dress. I think this is so cute. It gives you that fur vibe. It's very Christmassy, very holiday-esque. This is beginner friendly, so yay, that's great. It'll take about 1 day to make, so we love a 1-day dress. They suggested a sequence material or a soft velvet, which I love for this. I may make in the future, not for this holiday. I have nowhere to go, but this is definitely on my list as well. So let me know what you guys think. I think this is a top contender of what to make for the holidays. That wraps up the Mood festive edit. Those were all dresses, and that checks off our boxes of what we should wear. I wanted to find some Christmas sewing projects for you guys, and I found this website called Lo Behold Stitchery. This is not sponsored at all. I just wanted to give you some other options. They have some free patterns on their site as well. I'm not sure how you would get them. You probably have to enter your email and they send over the digitized pattern, much like Mood does. I love these Joy like plush pillow design or something. It's basically like a plush letter decoration situation. I think this is so cute, and I might want to do this with my children. You could add this into your home as decor. or you can gift this to someone at a Christmas party or something. This is so cute. I think it's so innovative. What you're going to do is sew these letters out, turn them inside out, and add polyfill. And that's what's gonna give you that plush look. So super cute. Next is a stocking pattern. I think this is adorable. And I think they show you how to make this patchwork design. So that is amazing. I actually want to try that. It'll give you that quilted feel. This is so cute. Lastly, they have this advent calendar and it goes from 1 to 24. It's a countdown to Christmas. I think this is so cute for children. My daughter is also learning her numbers. So this is a great way to teach the numbers and also for the kiddos to count down till Christmas. You could put gifts and treats inside for each day. Maybe a task that has to be done for the certain day, like put the cookies out or decorate the tree. This is so adorable and it's handmade. It can be hands-on with your kids. This is such a cute Christmas project and I love this. I love this idea and this is maybe something I will do this year or next year because I do have a bunch of sewing projects on my plate and let's just see what we can get done. So that wraps this video up. I love all these patterns. What do you think about them? I know there's a whole bunch going on in this world right now, from government shutdown to families losing their food stamps and all this chaos going on. So I thought I'd just share a light video of some projects that we can do at home for free and use things that we have on hand to create these things. I hope you all have a happy holiday. I hope this year can wrap up smoothly and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you want to see more like this. Comment down below. Let me know which piece you're going to make or that you have made already. And until next time, you guys, bye.